Hey everyone. So today I want to talk to you about how to make your first $10,000 in voiceover.
Every moment is a teachable moment.
So let's talk strategies for making your first $10,000 in voiceover. The very first thing you're going to need is a great product. And there are a few things that make up that great product. Number one is because your product is your voice, you want to make sure that your performance skills are up to par. Get coaching, you're working out with workout groups, you are practicing in your studio, auditioning, and really putting forth the effort to improve your performance skills so that you are at a competitive level with other voiceover artists who are booking. You also want to make sure you have a great demo that will showcase those performance skills, targeted to your specific genre that you are trying to market to, and make sure that that demo has a variety of styles and acting performances that can really showcase your voice to its very best. Your objective with a great demo is to book off of that demo. Number two, so not only does your demo and your product voice have to be competitive, so does your studio and your studio sound. You want to be able to make sure that your audio is of the highest quality that you can provide to your clients. Make sure that you're making an investment into your gear. That includes your microphone, your headphones, your audio interface, your editing software, as well as your recording environment so that you can sound the best that you possibly can with no echo and no noise. Number three, marketing. Ooh, this is a big one. So you're going to have to market probably quite a bit more than you ever thought you had to market in order to make sure you're getting that gig, that first gig, especially when you're first starting out in the industry. That requires you to have an online presence with a website as well as a social media presence. Your website should feature your demo front and center, and it should be downloadable. Also, you want to be on social media, educating yourself, researching potential clients, and getting out there and networking with your potential clients. Different genres have different rates. If you were to book a national commercial spot, you might make that $10,000 a whole lot quicker than if you booked an e-learning job. Do your research on rates. You can download rate guides from the GVAA, Gravy for the Brain, also SAG-AFTRA union rates, so that you can have something to base your pricing off of. That rate guide will help you to determine how many jobs it will take for you to reach that $10,000. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So you may get lucky and book that national commercial spot, or it may take you a few e-learning spots to get there, but you'll get there. So have faith. I've got faith in you. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more performance tips, make sure to check out my videos here. Thanks so much. I'll see you next week.